highly volatile AMPA is trending up 110%. This is January the 9th, 2026. The stock, as you can see, has erupted onto traders' radars after a sudden burst of extreme price action that many are likening to the wild run seen in prior low float Hong Kong IPOs. The stock's sharp, fast moving swings have ignited intense debate across trading communities, with some participants framing the move as a textbook parabolic squeeze fueled by tightly held float and aggressive momentum buying, while others warn it could just as easily end as a classic pump and dump. Comparisons to other recent China plays with similar volatility profiles are everywhere, underscoring how divided the sentiment has become. The latest surge in AMPA comes in the wake of the key structural catalyst, the January 5th, 2026 expiration of the company's 182-day IPO lockup period. This unlock freed approximately 12.5 million shares held by insiders and major shareholders, materially increasing the available float and overall trading liquidity. Historically, lockup expirations can act as inflection points for newly listed microcaps, and in AMPA's case, the event appears to have drawn in short-term traders hunting for volatility rather than long-term fundamentals. As a July 2025 IPO focused on Hong Kong based corporate services, the company entered the market with a very limited public float. That low float has magnified the impact of retail driven buying and selling, allowing relatively modest order block to produce outsized price moves. The pre market volume spiked sharply today, as you can see. The market just opened 8 minutes ago and has traded those that volume you can see on the screen there. And the stock quickly became a talking point on social media and in momentum trading circles, where speculation about short squeezes and rapid continuation moves added further fuel to the fire. Notably, there was no corporate announcement, earnings date, or business development to justify this sudden surge we are looking at right now. Instead, the rally appears to be driven almost entirely by technical factors, surely liquidity dynamics and speculative enthusiasm following the lockup unwind. While some traders see opportunity in the heightened volatility and unusual market behavior, others remain cautious, openly discussing the risk of a sudden reversal or rug pull. For now, the stock sits squarely in the spotlight as a thinly traded market microcap, where sentiment, positioning, and crowd psychology are dictating price action more than fundamentals. Okay, yeah, you can see average volume over the last 50 trading sessions very tiny, 31,000, and we have already 1 million shares across and counting. Have across the tape so far. Intraday high $57.95. Yeah, let's see what we have here. Is it not so liquid? But they are trading the stock anyway. Not so liquid. They are trading the stock anyway. Let's see. Let's see whether we can get the $53. Very dicey. $53. We want to see where it is trading at right now. So I think we can close this and open again. It might open up. $53. 52.55. So volatile. 52.55. If you buy 52 for you sell at $51. So that's something you have to bear in mind. It is so dicey. Okay, so this is the 4 hour chart. No extrapolation yet. Projections are currently saying uh 32.49. It's a downward projection. Let's see what we have on its 1 hour chart if there are extrapolations there. Okay, yeah, it's saying that it might maintain the strength at least towards the close of today's trading session. Then from then on, this is like 7 p.m. New York time. Then after that, it might go into a consolidation. And the 40 period moving average on this 4-hour chart is expected to continue to rise. Momentum is expected to continue to weaken. On the daily chart, no 50-day average here, no underlying trend yet. Projections are saying, okay, we have here 51.58. This printed on the 18th of November, upper projection. We have seen 57.95 already. So, okay, I think what we can do is see whether we can have a look at the market grid, potential prices. The market grid will give us a list of possible prices. There's a good chance that it may not be on this 1 hour chart. Yeah, okay, still in the grid. So we have between 66.76 and 35 point. What do we have here? 57.95. So it has that potential to even extend further. So the stock is at 51.6 now. This is where it is in between the resistance and the supports. 54.74. So higher prices pretty much possible. Pretty much possible. Let's come down to the 2 hour chart to see what it's going to give us. Yeah, let's see what we have. 54.11. It's okay. Yeah, a lot more modest. Let's see the 3 hour chart. No, it's not working here. It has gone. It's not old enough. This expansion is not old enough. Hasn't aged enough. Let's look at the 45-minute charts. Remember, we got 66 on the 1 hour chart. Yeah, we have 61.37, and 39.13. So even lower prices are still very much possible. 30-minute chart. Let's see what we have. 62.65 and 37.35. I think our best bet is this 1 hour chart. You can see here between 66.76 and 35.24. Yeah, here downward projection is saying 37.27. Yeah, okay, just be careful, be really careful with ANPA, and I'll continue to update you. I think it has been halted or something like that. May have been halted. Has it been halted? Maybe not. Okay, no halt has come through yet, but you can see the whole of this month it had a couple of halts. Yeah, okay, it hasn't been halted. It's still trading. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Thank you very much for watching this video.